Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to configure a VPN connection on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15. Now, as some of you know, you can easily subscribe for a VPN service at a cost, and that service usually provides you with an app where you can connect to. So you can go into your app store and download your VPN app service, which you have subscribed to, and switch on the VPN that way. Another way of configuring VPN is by doing it manually. You can do this by going to Settings, then into General, then scroll down and find VPN and Device Management. Tap on VPN, then tap on Add VPN Configuration. Now it'll ask you to enter in all the VPN details like Internet Security Protocol, server name, username, password, and proxy details. If you don't know any of these, I would recommend you skip this option and just connect VPN using the app process. Once you have everything entered in the screen, press the done button, and if you have typed everything correctly, you should be able to connect to VPN. Just like this Windscribe VPN, you should see another entry of your VPN which you have entered in manually. So that's how to manually configure VPN on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to leave it in the comment section down below. Please like this video if you found this useful, and most important thing, hit that subscribe button as it means a lot. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.